This is why you need to try Benin's best dish. It's more than just food, it's a cultural experience. Ever heard of pounded yam with egusi soup? If you haven't, you're in for a treat now. This dish is a superstar in Benin. Imagine soft, fluffy mashed yams paired with a rich, nutty and slightly spicy soup made from melon seeds. Sounds delicious, right? But there's more to it than just the taste. Pounded yam is like mashed potatoes' cooler cousin. It's made by boiling yams and then pounding them into a smooth, stretchy dough. Perfect for scooping up that savory egusi soup. Egusi soup is where the magic happens. It's packed with flavors from ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and leafy greens. And those melon seeds, they give the soup its unique taste and creamy texture. Plus, it's often cooked with meat or fish, adding even more yumminess. In Benin, this dish isn't just a meal, it's a celebration. Families come together to make and share it, turning every bite into a moment of joy. It's a dish rich with tradition and love, and trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. So next time you're feeling adventurous, why not give pounded yam with egusi soup a try? You'll get a taste of Benin's culture right in your kitchen. Bon appetit and happy eating, so don't forget to share your experience with us. Stay tuned for more delicious discoveries from around the world. Until next time, food lovers.